Why were you going 45 on a 30, bro?
I didn't do that. All right, we're at Burger King. Are you gonna get something?
Dude, I had to go 45 to try and catch you, bro.
I'm with my brother, and we're picking up this Volkswagen Jetta, man. And we're just having too much fun. We're on our way. Yeah, everything's really nice. This car is super nice, super complete, amazingly awesome. Let's see if we can find it.
Does it smell nice in here?
No, it smells like
Oh, I think it's
broken. Look,
I think it's for sunglasses.
Yeah. Oh my god, I think I made it worse. Let's see if we can put it back. There, it's nice and complete again. So they took a really good job taking care of the outside, but not the inside so much. That's what it looks like. 9 stored codes. Yeah, I had like 9 different check engine light codes.
Oh, that was
That's probably the issue.
Americanized German engineering.
More duct tape or something?
Nelson, I want Burger
No,
King.
the sun's going down.
I want Burger King.
We gotta go back home.
Oh,
Stop.
You saw that chunky ass girl, you had to stop, huh?
Which one?
The one in the blue? You're like, damn, she loved me.
Don't look at her, bro. She's mine. Don't you look at her.
Hey, she's hungry.
You know I like big girls.
She's hungry. I'll see her at Burger.
I don't know anything about this car. We just picked it up on an online auction. It's a little different auction. Picked it up at my friends right there at Greenwood. I've been working with Greenwood for years, maybe over 10 years already. My brother behind me. I don't think so. I think it definitely belonged to some girl because the outside condition looks really nice and then the inside condition is not so nice. It's kind of like women, you know, they look nice on the outside and they're all nice and cool.
Left onto 4th Street.
Thank you. And then they turn all Karen on you. They get all crazy, you know, beneath the makeup. Perfect. The tires look good even though it has hubcaps on the left side and it doesn't have hubcaps on the right. It's just a steel wheel. Is my brother even behind me? He's not.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Street.
He's right there. You see me? Oh my god, he did it. Ah, you gotta be kidding me, come on. Is he an idiot? Me? Oh, this guy. Gotta be kidding me! Oh god. Ah! How did he miss me? I'm in a dark Volkswagen. I had my blinker on. My windshield is cracked. I don't think he knows we're Burger King. It's kind of annoying. So I'm sorry guys, it's supposed to be like a test drive and now it's turning into hide and go seek. This is so terrible. Big perk to buying used cars is that you get to drive a bunch of used cars. Downside is you just never know what condition you're gonna get the vehicles in. This one has no plates. Windshield is cracked. I could easily get stopped by the police and, you know, the car could be unreliable. And then this car smells like cigarettes. And I don't smoke, I don't drink. This is just terrible. Ah, I'm dying in here. Right there.
Turn left onto West Street.
Whoa, he just busted a U-turn hard. GPS?
Take the next right onto California 25.
Okay, take the right. Hey, there's no one at the play place, bro. That's No, don't do it. You got your bag? I got mine.
I get the bag. I got the Burger King bag.
So I got burritos. I've already been eating.
Burritos.
And you got Burger King. And
Nothing like a burrito though.
man, that Burger King smells so good.
Dude.
I didn't want to get Burger King, but it smells so good.
I got French fries. They're falling, bro. Bro, how American is that? French fries falling? They're hot.
This is really good. This burrito's bomb.
Dude, what was up with that? Why were you going so fast?
Bro.
You were going fast.
I don't know this car very well. It must be a fast car.
Dude, it's a fast car.
It must be fast, bro. I really don't know.
The Jetta is a fast car, man.
I look behind me, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, it's Craig. Where the is this guy? He's supposed to be right behind me.
I was looking in front of me and I'm all like, dude, where the fuck? Where is this guy? Why is he driving so fast?
I'm like, dude, why is this guy driving so slow? Because we're going to Burger King. I got the GPS. You don't have a phone right now, which sucks. And your car, this car doesn't have a license plates.
Yeah, the registration is expired.
And we're like 2 hours away from home.
I have to be low key, bro. I can't be. Dude, I can't be Fast and the Furious in a Toyota Camry.
Oh,
I can only be furious.
how much ranches you could open? You got 4 open ranches over.
I always open all the ranches.
Oh,
It's my favorite sauce. Yeah. And then you dip it like this. You get a little dip in there.
it looks like the avocado.
Hey,
Oh, my burrito's gone bad.
imagine watching some kids
Still
playing
gonna
in the
eat it.
playground. They're hella big and fat. They can't play. Can't get all the way to the top. They're like, Mom, I'm hungry. I don't like to play plays. Dude, remember we used to go to Burger King on Main Street specifically for the huge play place? It had a huge play place. It had a big play place, and then they upgraded it to make it even bigger. Remember that upgrade?
Remember when they had Pokemon?
It had padded floors. Remember?
They had.
What do you mean?
That was Burger King, right? Burger King had Pokemon.
Remember? Yeah.
You remember?
You remember? Dude, that was the biggest thing.
It was crazy. Why am I putting my symbol on?
I don't know.
Like really? Oh, it's because I just finished my food. And I'm like, let's go.
You want some french fries?
Oh man, they smell so good. I shouldn't have.
I can
none.
finish later.
No, I eat.
Alright, cool.
Oh my
Dude.
god.
I dropped a french fry, but it's right here.
Oh, bro, COVID, don't do it. Don't do it. Do whatever you want. Do it. It's gonna be on video, whatever you do.
It's gonna have COVID on it.
It probably has COVID, bro.
It probably has COVID on
It looks really good. I want to eat it.
That's the most burnt french fry of the lot. Yeah.
Remember when Burger King had Pokemon?
Yeah.
That shit was wild.
Dude, that shit was wild. Did you know?
We would go like almost every week, huh? To go trade our little Pokemon.
I wanted to go every day.
Pokemon figures. They had the Pokemon action figures.
Dude, you know I
Or they
still
didn't
have,
move.
You know I still have those figures, right?
Yeah, I know you still have a couple of them.
Yeah.
But when I was in 7th grade and I was going to 8th grade, I was like, all right, I got to grow up.
Really?
I'm serious. I'm
I've
dead
never
serious.
said that to myself.
I got to throw all my Pokemon away. Pokemon is for kids. And I grabbed all the cards. And then I found some Yu-Gi-Oh cards and I was like, these are for babies.
I'll fuck with these. Oh, they're for... Okay, I'm not fucking with these.
No, I wasn't messing with them no more. And I threw all my stuff away because I thought I was gonna change, you know, like I thought it was like the height, you know, the movies, they always hype up the high school, like that's where you go party, that's where you go.
Yeah.
That's where you meet like your lifelong friends. That's where you do all that stuff.
This ranch dressing is different. It's not the same. It's not good.
Is it good or bad?
No, it's not good.
And you just opened all of them.
It's my favorite sauce.
Oh my god.
I mean, I could just throw them at a cart.
Oh, don't do
They'll be like, what the fuck? I just got this wash.
The semen?
Hit someone's car with 3 ranches.
Is this semen? Like, it's cold out here, bro.
It's cold out here.
It's cold. Let me into this car.
You know what? You guys got Burger King? Can I have some?
I know, I can smell it.
Can I have some?
It smells good.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Little beige bit. Guy says beige now. He's like, oh, you can.
But he also says yada. He says yada?
Yada? Oh yeah, messing with the yada. Every time he says Jason, he remembers. He's like,
That's
yeah, yeah, Jason, where's the yada?
Hey, yada.
The yada.
That's
The
bad.
yada.
That's bad.
Messing with the yada.
That's not good.
I don't know.
That's
I
not
mean,
good.
he's only 6. You know, he twerks now. Guy loves to twerk. I told him, do you want to go to a dancing class?
Yeah.
Or do you want to go to a wrestling class?
Dude, dancing is in right now.
Dancing would be
It's
dope.
always been, but dancing is super in right now.
He said he wants to go to wrestling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine if I put him in both. That'd be cool.
Yeah. Dude, dancing
That'd be
is
super
sick,
cool.
dude. I've always wanted to take dancing classes.
That'd be cool. Yeah. This guy loves to twerk. He loves to shake it.
Nelson, that's not good.
Why is that not good? If you like, it's like what you were saying about all this other stuff, bro. If he likes
Nelson, if your daughter liked to twerk,
oh yeah, if it was a girl, it'd be different. I think.
well, what's the difference between a
What?
human? Nelson, do you twerk?
I do a little bit. If he twerks,
Does
I'm gonna
does
twerk.
Myra twerk?
Well, yeah, at our house,
Okay.
with our family, we twerk.
At the club.
At the club.
Guy at the club with the Jetta.
The yacht at the club twerking. He only does the yacht out with his family.
But he twerks with his family too.
And he
knows,
twerks with the
who knows
fam.
what else he's doing?
Oh, don't say that. He's only 6.
Yeah, but they start smoking at 11.
Oh no, it's not funny.
That's not funny, bro. I didn't know kids started smoking at 11.
That's really bad.
Yeah, I've been drinking since I was 10 years old.
Oh my god, we gotta turn the camera off for this one. For these stories.
Older humans
Humans
are bad role models for new humans.
compared to older aliens. Open all the ranches.
You know, you were right. I shouldn't open all the ranches.
Oh my god.
I didn't think opening all the ranches was gonna be a bad thing ever.
What, the ranch sucks?
I've never opened ranch and I'm all like, oh, this is a bad ranch idea. I should have been messing with the Jetta.
So what are you gonna do with those ranches?
I'm gonna throw them in a car.
You follow me.
Nelson, I'm following you. Don't try to lose me.
All right, we're gonna be driving this car for an hour and a half, and that should kind of give us an idea of how good, reliable this vehicle is. Even though, like I said earlier, it had 9 check engine lights. It's got a TPMS light on for the tire pressure sensors. But the tires do look good. They look just about brand new. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. Hopefully it doesn't do anything crazy. This guy's gonna be following me. Got my GPS on, so you might be hearing that. And I'm sorry. You know, the car is true to itself. It's like every other generation of Volkswagen has been leading to this generation of Volkswagen. And it is really beautiful. It's plain and simple. There you go. Plain and simple. And do you see all the red? I mean, everything is just glowing red. And then the dash has got that blue, kind of almost purple kind of look. And man, it's just great. Well, it's really nice. This Volkswagen is just powering through these hills. Turlock finally, been driving for about 2 hours, and you can see the temperature is perfect on the car. It's exactly where it's supposed to be, to 90 degrees. And it's doing really good, performing well. And this vehicle has 141,000 miles. It's 13 years old. It's a Volkswagen. If you Google Volkswagen, it's gonna tell you Volkswagens usually run about 100,000 miles. So this one with the 140, it's a freak. Just like me. But is it really? Not really. I would call this an average mile car. It's got average miles. It probably has average service. And because of that, it has great performance.